When we think of blood, we think of a dark red liquid. And you know what? That's a pretty good start. Blood carries oxygen throughout our bodies, delivering it to every cell and keeping us alive and kicking. Many of us don't know much more than this about blood, or maybe we don't feel the need to know, but get this. Blood is amazing. You'd be surprised by some of the truly strange facts about this life-giving fluid, so get ready to explore the circulatory system because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of blood. We all know our blood is red, right? Well, buckle up, because the natural world is full of surprises. Did you know that some creatures have blood that isn't red at all? It's true. Some spiders, octopuses, and squid have blue blood. Can you imagine that? Blue blood, and it gets even wilder. Certain spiders have green or even purple blood. And get this, lizard blood is white. The reason our blood is red is because of a special protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains iron, and when iron binds with oxygen, it turns bright red, giving our blood its characteristic color. Now, let's talk about volume. The human body relies on a constant supply of blood to function properly. But have you ever wondered just how much blood is coursing through your veins right now? Get this. A healthy adult has about 1.3 gallons of blood. That's right, a whole gallon, like a jug of milk, but instead of sitting in your fridge, it's constantly circulating, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every corner of your body. Blood makes up about 7.8% of your total body weight. That might not seem like a lot, but consider this. Your heart pumps that entire gallon of blood through your body every single minute. Most people know that white blood cells are like our body's tiny little warriors, fighting off infections and keeping us healthy. But did you know that these amazing cells play a crucial role in pregnancy? It's true. White blood cells are essential for a healthy pregnancy. They help the mother's body tolerate the developing fetus, which is essentially a foreign entity. Without enough white blood cells, the mother's immune system might attack the fetus, preventing a successful pregnancy. So next time you think about pregnancy, remember the incredible work of those tiny white blood cells. Chapter 4. You've got gold in your blood. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown. We know that blood contains essential elements like iron, which gives it its red color. But hold on to your hats because there's a surprise ingredient in your blood that might sound familiar. Gold! Yes, you heard that right. There are trace amounts of gold in your blood. Now, before you rush out to start a blood mining business, it's important to know that we're talking about minuscule amounts here. We're talking about 0.2 milligrams of gold per person. That's not enough to make you rich, but it's still pretty cool to think about, right? Chapter 5. Blood cells with expiration dates. Just like everything else in nature, blood cells have a life cycle. They're born, they do their job, and eventually they retire. But here's the fascinating part. Different types of blood cells have vastly different lifespans. Red blood cells, those workhorses that carry oxygen, have a lifespan of about 4 months. Platelets, the tiny cells responsible for clotting, only last about 9 days. And white blood cells, our immune system heroes, have the shortest lifespan of all, some lasting only a few hours. It's a good thing our bone marrow is constantly producing new blood cells to replace the old ones, ensuring our bodies have a fresh supply to keep everything running smoothly. Chapter 6. Red blood cells. No nucleus needed. We all learned in school that cells have a nucleus, the control center that contains DNA. But here's a curveball. Red blood cells don't have a nucleus. That's right, they ditch their nucleus early on in their development to make more room for hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen. And it doesn't stop there. Red blood cells also lack other organelles like ribosomes, which are responsible for making proteins. This unique structure allows red blood cells to be incredibly efficient at their job, squeezing through even the tiniest blood vessels to deliver oxygen to every cell in your body. Chapter 7. Sunshine for healthy blood pressure. We all know that spending time in the sun can be good for our mood and provide us with essential vitamin D. But did you know that ultraviolet rays from the sun can actually lower blood pressure? It's true. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing pressure on your arteries. But that's not all. UV rays also stimulate blood circulation, giving your heart a healthy workout and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Just remember to soak up the sun safely and always wear sunscreen to protect your skin. Chapter 8. Blood types around the world. You probably know your blood type, like a positive or O negative. But did you know that the distribution of blood types varies significantly around the world? It's true. For example, in the United States, the most common blood type is O positive, while the rarest is AB negative. But in Japan, the most common blood type is A positive. These differences are due to a variety of factors, including genetics, migration patterns, and even historical events. Understanding the distribution of blood types is crucial for ensuring that blood banks have enough supply to meet the needs of their communities. Outro, the wonders of blood. Well, there you have it, folks. 8 mind-blowing facts about blood that you probably didn't know. From the surprising colors of blood in the animal kingdom to the trace amounts of gold coursing through our veins, blood is a truly remarkable fluid. It's a reminder that even the most familiar things in our world can hold hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. So next time you get a paper cut or donate blood, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity and importance of this life-giving substance.